RG Kar Government Medical College ta post graduate tamlibi mahairoi Dr. Amabu Thasigi Mapanda Mihati na Hatkiba Thodok Puyaning the Bafongdoktura Ngasi Lebak Sin Bathungna Dr. Singh Teacher Association Amadi Medical Staff Singna Thabak Leptuna khongjang changsinkhre khongjang asi Manipur gi marui ba hospital kaya yauna tongan ba institute Singda su changsinkhe Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal gi oina mapung oiba khongjang RIMS ke OPD mamangda masing yamlaba Dr. Amadi staff Singna changsinkhe ba loinana Indian Dental Association Manipur branch ki makada Dental College RIMS na susinduna wakat khongjang changsinkhe Wakat Mifamadуда Justice for Victim Stop Violence Against Doctor No More Nirbhaya No More Maumita Hands That Heal Should Not Bleed Haibana Chingba Play Card Kaya Sizinaduna Dr. Singh Maraktagi Mihat Adugi Matangda Yaningdaba Kaya Fongdoraki Dental College RIMS ke Dr. Deepak Kaubamana Fongdorakpada RG Kar Medical College ke Mahiroi Amabu Tamthina Hat Kiba Thodogadu Medical Gilam de leiriba Miyoi Singna Akan Mamawong de Yaningde Indian Medical Association IMA Headquarter na Leibak Sin Bathungna khongjang changsinaba lauthokibagi matungina ngasigi khongjang asida Dental College amadi RIMS ke Doctor Teacher Association Staff amadi Indian Dental Association gi mihut singaloinana changsinbani asigumba thodogasi matungda amuk hana thoktanaba mari leinabana mihara sida chenaba miyoi faduna chairak pinaba wafam fongdorakhe
RG Kar Medical College da postgraduate student amogu yam tamthina hatkiba dui mayokta apaina protest observani amasung IMA gi Indian Medical Association gi atungina 24 hours OPD lepaga adugi part amoina apaina sida ngasi OPD lepaga apaina sida protest of yauzari apoi sida protest of yausi dental students me am yaure dental college ki amasung IDM Manipur state branch yaure sida also our teacher associations may also our teacher association the faculty may also members may also when the family body yam to justice for also asai tamthina haligadu aduni mayta protest organina website sida
RG Kar Medical College ki PG Mahiroi ama namjanam thiklaba matung tamthina hatok pirambagi achumba wayal Fanghalu haina All India Medical Association ki meeting makada ngasi Jenims ki Mahiroi Singna su OPD mamangda wakat khongjang changsinkhre khongjang aduda sarukya kiba Resident Doctor Association Jenims ki President Dr. Rakesh Angumna fongdorakibada PG ki Mahiroi Dr. Nupi amada chathakiba thawong adugi mayokta changsinkhiba khongjangda fu chaikiba si yaningde Maramaduna tamthiraba mihat adugi achumba wayal fanghalu haina Institute asigi Emergency Service natana atai thabak sing leplaga khongjang changsilakibani haike
RG Kar Medical College sa second year ka chest medicine ki PGT amabu tamthina reto ga hatok piramadugi noi to phongtok chabani khongjang amoina akoina 14 minute ta Doctor Association na chamna protest ama tawjabada yam khaba miyam amna thunjan biraga ayuk ungtin khaktana laiba ki seba tawriba doctor bu thubi chaibi badusu punna nuaite na akoi condemn tawjabani under the umbrella of this Indian Medical Association whole India gi oina routine services amasung routine investigation and routine OT thinjanjare from 17:06 AM to 18:06 AM adubu matang asida akoi emergency service ki adum hangjagani
Khongjang aduga mari leinana Jenim second year ki PG Mahiroi Dr. Krishna Priyana fongdokhibada achumba wayal fanghalu haina khongjang changsinbada Dr. Singh bu fuba amadi evidence kaya manghan ki basi gi mayokta lauriva kholawasi mari leinaba singna tabi famthoi ana layingi lamda thabak tawriba sing safaba oidre maramaduna medical institution singi campus singda matik chaba security thambiyu haiki
responsible authority then we want justice as soon as possible and we want safety for all the doctors even here for safety we want CCTV cameras everywhere in the campus and security also we want in the campus
West Bengal ke RG Kar Medical College Kolkata da postgraduate tamlibi Mahiroi Dr. Nupi amabu tamthina hatpi kiba thawong adubu yaningdaba fongdokladuna Indian Medical Association IMA headquarter ki makada leibak sin bathungna medical service ta leiriba singna thabak leptuna khongjang changsinaba lauthokibagi matungina ngasi Manipur gi oina su hospital sing medical institution sing amadi medical college sing da paktak naba thabak leptuna khongjang changsinkhre Imphal gi Ras Medicity da hospital asigi doctor sing nursing staff amadi employee sing na changsinkhre ba khongjang gi matang da wangang laduna institute asigi medical director Dr. CH Arun Kumar na hai tha asigi mapanda PG second year tamlibi mahiroyamabu tamthina ot nairaba matung hatpi khibasi yaning da ba utpoina IMA headquarter amadi Manipur state branch ki instruction matungina protest asi fambani protest asina laibak thiba thawong adu akan mamong da condemn tawi thokliba crime asida generally sing matik chaba cherak pigadabani loinana khongjang asige saruka moina routine patient yengba operation service sing leblabasu emergency oina lakpa patient sing di service pigani haiki protest aduda don't color white apron red when white coat turns red society turns black we demand justice for victim stop violence against women no safety no duty we want justice haiban chingba wahi sing thaba play card sing seasonaki
PG Tauri Mayroy S Division da Abo ne da gidi shi laukuna ki ba amma su ko bi da ba na kita ya ji wa kuma mabda ya ci ya da shi dan medical association headquarters maso dan medical association the state branch shi instruction mahada da shi हमको बने कि हमको भी सेक्सी प्रोटेस्ट सीधा कोई ना सिर्फ वो और कतार की बात कंटेंट तो है हमारे शिक्षा बात कंटेंट तो है डिमांड तो है ऐसे नहीं ना भाई इस तरह लेकिन अब सर्विसेज और इंटरनेट ऑपरेशन कोई जो तो जरा वो तो वो इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज अमसों सेंट्रल सर्विसेज की चलाई
Kolkata gi RG Kar Medical College da PG Mahiroi amatam thina hat ki babu yaning da bafong doktuna ngasi langol leiba Caesar Hospital da su Jenim samadi Rims ki MA MSB AHPI IMA JDN amadi IMA MSN RDN sinduna aseng ba justice fanghan biu haiduna wakat mifam chathakre wakat mifam adu da saru kya kiba Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch ki Secretary Dr. Swaram Gautam Nahai India da mamang thaktage ngasi fawba Dr. Singda Miyot Minay aki akhang piba ki thawong adumak chathaduna lakli miyoi ba magi lichat chataba miyoi singna PG Mahiroi amabu namja nam theklaga tamthina hat pahaibasi Dr. Singbu nattaba mityeng yengbibadagi thokliba thodok amani haina lawi thodok asida chenaba sing matik chaba pifam thoi loinana asigumba thodok asi makhata na thoktanaba punna kholau lawminaba changi haiki
Indian Medical Association, in collaboration with Association of Healthcare Providers of India, decided to observe this nationwide withdrawal of medical services for at least 24 hours, from the 6 a.m. of 17th of August to 6 a.m. of 18th of August. So during this withdrawal of services period, we are withdrawing services only for the routine services, the routine OPDs, routine OT, and other routine investigations. All the other emergency surgeries and dialysis will be carried out. This is an effort to pressurize the authority, the government as well as the law enforcing agencies that no such incidents occur in future, and healthcare professionals including the doctors, nurses and other healthcare providers
Dr. Nupi amabu namjanam theklaba matung tamthina hato piramba aduna maram oiraga tungda haurakliba Dr. Nupi Singda hena aki tujung pokhaliba asi poktanaba achumba wayal fanghalu haina Ascent Diagnostic Private Limited ke Pathology and Left Director Dr. Ranjita Saugaizamna fongdokre ngasi nongmaibung Rasbari da leiba hospital asigi mamangda Kolkata gi RG Kar Medical College ki postgraduate Dr. Nupi amabu namjanam theklaba matung tamthina hato piramba thawongbu yaningdaba fongdokpa amadi mihat aduge achumba wayal chathaduna chenaba miyoi sing cheirak piu haina khongjang changsinkhre chathakiba wakat mifam khongjang aduga mari leinana Dr. Ranjita Saugaizam na makataraduna ngasi hospital asigi routine service leplaga emergency khak mathau tauraga khongjang asi changsinpani maruoina mihat aduda chenaba miyoi faduna matik chaba cheirak piu haina Kolkata gi RG Kar Medical College ta khongjang changsilakhibada mahiroi singbu तानखाइखिबा अदु यानिंगदे थोखरिबा थौदोक अदुना नाइट ड्यूटी तौरगा मयुमदा हलकपा डॉक्टर नुपी सिंह किनिंगाई ओइरे थौदोक असि नुपी खुनाइदा चाउना सिंगना बामनी लोइनना डॉक्टर नुपी ओइबी सिंगदा थोकलक्लोइ हाइबा लेते डॉक्टर खक नतना थौदोक असिगे अचुंबा वायल फंगनबगिदमक मियाम पुन्ना लेमिनसि हाइखे
junior doctor ama oina night duty tawrai then amamba athengba ahingda corridor da phawra kanda deadly yamna kiba monga phawra chalai matamda da kiba phawde adubu sigi incident sigi matung inna younger generations of doctors nadi kari khanga dage kari phawga dage mokhoi da kari akiba phawga dage haibadu yamna asoba question amani aduna akoina aina haijaning badi nupi doctor sing sida yamna thona hapaningi mayamna sigi akoigi cause support to haningi aduna akoina pamisi justice pami masigumba thogdoksi mathangda akoi doctor khatang natana nupi oiba samajta tho oi hainingai karimta leite madudagi hena nungai taba hena penda ba hairagadi moigi government authority or all policy authority dana deal toba mong se hena yaningda ba ama phawi protesting doctors ta lathi charge toba protesting doctors ta namda na ba hotna ba madu masu yam thamoi sok na yaningde we want justice